Hi guys, welcome back. It's Thursday, so I'm back with another video. If you're new here, my name is Melissa Crafter and I create custom epoxy-free tumblers along with other crafts. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I put this fun vinyl decal on this milk carton acrylic water bottle. To make this, I use Teckwrap's Opal adhesive vinyl. So that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask down in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do upload a new video every Thursday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really quick before we begin, I want to show you guys all the Opal adhesive vinyls that you can find on the Teckwrap website. These Opal vinyls color shift depending on the lighting. You can find these Opal vinyls along with more quality vinyl on the Teckwrap Craft website. I do have a discount code with Teckwrap. You can use promo code MelissaCrafter10 at checkout for 10% off of your order. I'll put my discount code and I'll link their website down below in the video description. So here we are on Cricut Design Space on a blank canvas. I did purchase the cut file, the SVG from Etsy. This is the one that I purchased here and the shop name was NCYD Shop. The name of the file was Daisy Milk Carton Bottle Wrap SVG and it was for a 16-ounce milk carton water bottle. It was $2.89. I bought it and I downloaded it to my computer. So here we are back on Cricut Design Space. I'm going to upload my SVG here and insert it into my canvas. This was a ready-to-cut SVG, but even with ready-to-cut SVGs, you do want to make sure that you do a test cut or you measure out your cup just to make sure that it's the accurate size before using the vinyl that you are going to be using. So here my decal is ready to be cut, so I'm going to send it off to my Cricut. So here is the vinyl that I'm going to be using. It is the Opal adhesive vinyl in the color peach, yellow, pink. It does give off that color shift depending on the lighting of peach, yellow, and pink. So here I'm going to load my Teckwrap standard tack cutting mat with my vinyl. I'm going to make sure that my mat here aligns with my mat on Cricut Design Space. That way my decal cuts within my vinyl. All Teckwrap vinyl comes with this clear protective sheet on it that protects it from getting scratched before you use it. You want to make sure you remove that before you send off your vinyl to cut. So here is my Cricut Explorer 2 cutting out my design. I do have the cut setting on custom and I have it on holographic vinyl. You can use Teckwrap vinyl on any type of cutting machine. Now that my decal is cut, I'm going to be weeding out the excess vinyl. To do that, I'm going to be using my Teckwrap weeding pen. You can find this weeding pen on the Teckwrap website. I'll link it down below. It has a sharp stainless steel tip that allows precise weeding down to the smallest detail. This part here did take a while since this decal did have a lot of small detail cuts. So here I have weeded out all the daisies and now I'm going to remove the big part of the excess vinyl. So here my decal is completely weeded out and it's ready to be placed on my cup. So here is the milk carton water bottle that I'm going to be using to place my decal on. They are 16 ounce. I did purchase them on Amazon. I'll go ahead and place the link for them down below in the video description. I'm going to go in with an alcohol prep pad and wipe my cup clean. That way my vinyl decal has a good surface to adhere well to. So I'm going to begin and add my decal to my water bottle. I am going to do this by section. So I'm going to take a piece of transfer tape along with my Teckwrap Squeegee. Since my water bottle does have 4 sides, I'm going to take this first section here and add it on. I'm adding my transfer tape here to this first section and using my scraper, I'm going to press down towards it, making sure that it's well adhered onto my transfer tape. And then I'm going to remove the backing off my vinyl. I am then going to center this as best as I could on my water bottle, and then I'm going to take my squeegee and press down on my transfer tape to make sure that my vinyl decal adheres on well to my cup. I am then slowly going to remove my transfer tape, and I'm going to be repeating the same steps for the rest of the other 3 sides of the water bottle. The transfer tape that I'm using is the Teckwrap Mat transfer tape. I really like this transfer tape because it glides off really smoothly and it doesn't leave any sticky residue like other transfer tapes do. I'll link the transfer tape down below in the video description. So here is what the water bottle looks like after all 4 sides have been added. I really love how this vinyl shifts off to a different color depending on the lighting. So here is how my water bottle turned out. Using these Opal vinyls, I was able to customize my water bottle in such a fun way. I can't wait to use these vinyls in future projects. So that is it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask down in the comment section. Also, if you have any video suggestions for me, drop those down in the comments as well. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every Thursday. Also, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is MelissaCrafter00. Thank you guys so much for watching.